So in this question, we need to find the value of average speed of a man who walks from north to south, and the distance is m mile, and his speed is 1 mile in 2 minutes. And when he returns from south to north, his speed is 2 miles per minute. So we need to find the average speed. So first, the average speed is total displacement divided by total time. So now, so this is total m, this is north, this is south. So in this direction, his speed is 1 mile per 2 minute, and from south to north, his speed is 2 miles per minute. Now we need to find this average speed in hour, and we are given in minutes, so we need to convert this. So he passed 1 mile in 2 minutes. In other words, 2 mile 2 minute in 1 mile, then 60 minute will be in 60 by 2 is equal to 30 mile. And when coming from south to north, it will be 2 miles by minute into 60 minute. So it will be 120 miles per hour. So you also, this is hour. So we got the velocity. So now, when north to south, his velocity is v north south is, we know the equation of velocity is s by t, or here it is t1, and s is equal to m, and t1 is equal to, we don't know, but we can assume this. But we know this value. From north to south, the velocity is 30 miles. So we can write it here as 30 is equal to m by t1, or t1 is equal to m by 30. And when from south to north, so the time here is t1, and from this direction it will be t2. So t2 will be what? M by 120. So now look at this. So we know the total time, and we also know the total displacement. So we can find this average speed. So total displacement is m plus m, as it goes north to south and then south to north, and the total time is t1 plus t2. So it will be 2m, and this will be m by 30 plus m by 120. So it will be 2m, and here it will be 30 into 120 if we take the LCM. So it will be 120m plus 30m. So now we can write 120 into 30 into 2m is equal to 150m. So it will be cancelled out. It will be cancelled out also, and it will be 2. So it's 48 miles per hour, and that's our answer.